Girl, we got Chipotle at home, but of course I had to make mine vegan. Call me bougie, but I don't really trust any of those restaurants that's not fully vegan. Anytime I went in there, there was ingredients that had been cross-contaminated, sour cream all in the salsa, shredded cheese all in the guacamole. It's a no for me. I did make my homemade cashew cheese sauce, y'all. It's so bomb, and the full recipe is on my page. Now, this video was sitting in my draft, so I'm like, let me go ahead and post it. But y'all know I've been super MIA, but the truth be told, I had to make a lifestyle change, and I just took some time to really focus on that. This was freshly made orange pineapple juice, but I had to really get focused on my eating habits. Not to say that, I ate bad, but I did have days where I felt like I went a little crazy. So yeah, I had to change that. Plus, the summer is almost here, and baby, my goal was to lose 15 pounds and to keep it off. So yes, the change was necessary. Let me know if y'all want me to post some of the meals that I was eating and the lifestyle changes that I actually did. But I'm back and I'm ready to start creating content. I just wanted to say thank y'all to everybody who's purchased my cookbook. It really means a lot. I do have new recipes that I will be adding to the cookbook, and if you have already purchased the cookbook, you will get that update for free.